round corner border on the photos or portraits you want to add in. So I'm going to go to File, New, always create what? A size, pixels. I'm going to make mine big, so I'm going to make it, let's make it 1366. I'm going to make a perfect by 1366. Perfect square, 300 DPI. There you got it. So now what I want to do is bring that image in. So I'm going to locate it right here. Just drag it and drop it right in there. Okay. So now you have in this photo here, you have a lot going on in the background. It takes away from you. So what I will probably do is go in here. Let's get it a little tighter. And I'm going to select, inverse, and delete. So to get that out of here, we got to go to layers, make sure layers is open. Right here, there it is. When you see this is called a smart object. So I'm going to go ahead and right click and rasterize it. So now I can delete the stuff in the back. So it's kind of harsh, it's kind of sharp on the edge. This trick I usually do is go right here, get a rectangle, and you see the curve right here? We're gonna make a nice curve. You see that? So I'm gonna come on top of it and I'm gonna press Command. Look what happens when I hover over it. It gives me what? A selection. So I'm gonna take this out and now position it how I want it to be. And I'm going to go to select, inverse. I'm going to come on this layer and I'm going to do what? Delete. So now I got a nice round edge. Now if I want, I can actually put a drop shadow on that just by clicking on the side panel. I can come here and add a drop shadow. It's too heavy, so I'm going to soften it up. Bring the size. Okay. Now notice that your photo looks a little overexposed. So I'm going to come in here and go to Image, Adjust, Levels, and I'm going to bring some dark in, bring the tones in a little bit, and right there. Now all I have to do now is go to here and crop it. Remember the rule is you got to crop like on a rectangle, because if you crop it like perfect square, remember it's gonna be hard to fit. So usually crop it like on a rectangle so you have room like that. And all I gotta do now is hit enter and then take the background out because I want it to be transparent, and go to File, Export as a QuickTime, and then it's going to export as a QuickTime, not export as a PNG, sorry. There you have it. Export, give it a title, give it your name, okay, name it as yourself. Okay, I'm gonna hit PNG. Now if I come here, let's open up the program. Let's go and create a new window and go to my drive and then open it up. Okay, once it's open, come on, you can do it. Okay, there it is. Let's make it just a tad bit. Scroll down to the bottom, and I'm gonna insert. You had something like this, I think it was. See how this is like rectangle? So now you got to do the same thing. Upload, and it was in my folder, right? Art folder, name. Bam. See, it creates the illusion, but remember this is still image here, and if I need to scale it, it's doable. Okay, Just so it looks a little nice and clean. But that's what you can do for yours. And yeah. So I'm gonna go here and close out. Quit. And this is called photo corner edge, round edge, right? Round edges. Okay.